Hello and welcome to a little video tutorial for absolute beginners into Python, which I'm preparing for my class. So firstly we need to hit the search button, which sorry is just off your screen, and we're going to look for something called IDLE, which hopefully is already installed on your computer. If it's your home computer you can download it for free and install it. Just search for Python and you'll find it. Now, yours probably will open with something in here, and if that is the case, you want to go File, New File, so that you end up with a brand new empty file. This is where we're going to write our program. Our very first program we will write is print, open bracket, and speech mark, hello world. And because I'm a teacher, I do like capitalization. Hello world, close speech mark and close brackets. Now this we can use as our test program. So before we can run it, we need to save it. File, save as. You can choose where to save it. I'm going to, oh yes, don't save it in here. That's probably in the back end of your computer somewhere where you don't want it. I'm going to save mine in my drive, and I have a folder here called P for Python. So I'm just going to call it video 1 practice or something like that. Okay, and it's automatically saving as .py, which is very handy. Now my file is saved, so now I can go ahead and run it. And you can click, once you get used to this, you just want to hit F5 because it is a zillion times faster. And hey, it worked. It printed something onto the screen. That is running your first program. So have a go at that, pause the video, get that done, and then push play again. Okay, I rearranged my windows a bit while you were doing that, just so I could check where I was up to. We have found and opened idle. We know where to save our Python files to. We've made a simple print statement. Now we're going to do something where the user has to type information into the computer. So I'm going to say input, open bracket, and what I put inside the open bracket is what I want the computer to say. What is your name? Question mark. Now if I run this, do I want to? I do want to make a couple of changes here. I'll show them to you in a minute, but in the meantime we'll go on to the next line. Actually, we don't need to say hello world anymore, do we? Why don't we instead say hello, just like that? Okay, so we will test this first and then I'll show you how to improve it. So Control S to save. If you aren't up to keyboard shortcuts, you can go File, Save, but I like the speed of keyboard shortcuts. Control F and F5. And it's run, and it's asking me my name. So I will say my name to it by typing it in here, and then I hit enter and it said hello. So now we've checked that it's working. Now we're going to improve it. Now I don't like how it asked for the input squished up there, so I'm just going to add a little space and Control S, F5. Now my cursor's way over here, so I do like it having the little space there, and it still works. Now it would be way cooler if they answered me by name. So the next trick is hello. Actually, if I was saying hello and then hello Rebecca, I don't need the exclamation mark. I'm going to go, now this won't work if I just said hello, like, how do I describe this? The program doesn't know what my name is yet. I typed it in over there, but I need a way of storing what that person replies. So I'm going to make this into a variable, name equals. So now whatever the person types in as their name, it is being stored as a variable called name. So now I can go hello name. Let's see if that works. Save, run. Hello, what is your name? It is still Rebecca. Hit enter. Oh, it knows my name. That's pretty cool. I think that might be enough for this video. Let me just check. Yep, that's kind of the beginnings of a chatbot. You can do a lot more with it, but I think that is enough for step 1.